What's up guys, Jordan here, thanks for stopping by the channel once again. Today, I wanted to do a quick, fun video on how to style a black suit. If you did not know, the black suit is kind of trendy right now. That's being picked up and worn in a lot of different ways, more fun and exciting ways. Typically, when you think of a black suit, you think of something where you're gonna go to a funeral or you have to go to a very fancy kind of like black tie event. But the black suit has now been transformed, if you will, into a more casual look, into a more casual setting, and I think that is great because black goes with everything and everybody likes to wear black. So the suit that I picked out and the shoes that I picked out will be from Farfetch, which is great because Farfetch and I partnered up for this video, so thank you Farfetch. I have so many things in this closet behind me that are from Farfetch, so it's nice to finally be working together. Like I said, I've talked about Farfetch in the past, but if you don't know what it is, it's essentially just a huge, I don't know what this is, marketplace for luxury designer pieces. They have a huge selection of designer items from boutiques from across the world, whether it be England, France, the US, Germany, wherever you're I got a piece from Saudi Arabia once, but it's just a huge selection of designer items from boutiques across the world that you can shop. And the best part is they have a lot of sales that go on too. So if you want to get those designer steals for a low price, I'm talking sometimes 50, 60, 70% off, I highly recommend checking out Farfetch for sure. I also got you guys a 10% code right here, so if you guys use this, I'll have it right here and in the description. You'll get 10% off your purchase. So there you go, got that for you as well. Alright, so the black suit, especially in the casual world, is a very easy and versatile thing to kind of pull off. You might think of it as something that's going to be hard to pull off, but actually, in reality, it's pretty easy and you can do a lot of things with it. So for me and this black suit, I wanted to go for a little bit more of that smart street lookwear, and that's going to be with this guy right here. When you're going for the look, you want to have a little bit more of a casual, maybe a little more boxy silhouette, not something that's going to be oversized and crazy, but just something that's not so tailored and not so fitted to your body. This is the one time where you can kind of pull off something that looks just a little bit more casual and relaxed. So this suit here, it has the wide lapels, it has a more relaxed shoulder right here, but it's also double-breasted, so it kind of mixes, it has like a juxtaposition of like a more sophisticated look with the double-breasted buttons here, but the more relaxed sloped shoulder, the more boxy kind of silhouette, and the straight leg of the pants itself. So you're getting the best of both worlds. You're getting like a sophisticated look, but also a relaxed, casual street look, I guess, if you will. I thought the suit looked amazing, and also black is becoming more of a power suit, and like I said, it's really kind of taking over, at least for this kind of fall-winter season. When styling that smart streetwear look or that suited streetwear look, I recommend going with a pair of sneakers, and that's what I did for this look as well, and I'm surprised that you guys chose these. I posted a poll on my Instagram, and you guys fell in love with these things, so I got these right here. From the side, it looks like, oh, just a nice casual canvas high-top sneaker, but when you flip them to the front, you have a Ninja Turtle shoe. As you can tell, these are the Maison Margiela Tabi sneakers. The iconic tabi toe right here that is probably one of the most controversial things when it comes to footwear that I've personally come across. You either love them a lot or you hate them, and to be honest, they're growing on me. I like them. They're definitely a conversation starter. But yeah, these are the tabi sneakers from Maison Margiela. I figure if I'm doing a casual suit, you might as well go all out, especially if you're doing like a high-end kind of fashion-forward look. You guys loved the tan suit that I did for the spring-summer lookbook, so I figured this would be another good kind of casual suiting experience for you guys. Along with that, you cannot forget the jewelry. For me, I personally like to wear a lot of jewelry. I know it's different for everybody. Some people don't like jewelry at all. I personally like to wear a watch, some bracelets, and some rings. It just gives a little bit more life to the outfit, gives it a little bit more of a unique look, and plus, it just adds on to your own personal style. You can do so many different things with jewelry. I don't like to go too overboard with like a lot of necklaces and like a belt and like a chain, but I like to keep it somewhat minimal, somewhat classy with the rings, not something that's going to be too overbearing. I think it goes well with the outfit altogether. Without further ado, I put together a little outfit in motion for you guys to check out, so here we go.
you can't see it, then you'll just never know it. I feel sorry for you.
I can't quite see it.
So there's the outfit, you guys. I hope that kind of gave you a little bit of inspiration on how to style a suit, a little bit more inspiration on how to style a black suit. Don't be afraid of it. It's not only meant for funerals or black tie events. You can do a lot of casual things with it, and black goes with everything. Like I said, it's becoming more of a power suit, and I think you guys should check it out. I'll have everything linked in the description below if you want to check out Farfetch, if you want to check out the pieces that I got. Also, I'll have that promo code down there for you guys. So hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be talking to you soon. Have a good day.